Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine. Welcome to a new day. That is day 3. Today is the third day of the week, right? And this is your literacy class. Yes, it's your literacy class. Now, let's play a small game. Now, this game is about riddles. Remember, we have done this before. I have shown you, I have asked you riddles, right? You know what riddles are? Yes, these are a kind of guessing game, right? So we'll play a game of riddles. Now, these riddles are all about your topic that we have done yesterday. Now, what was the topic actually? What is the unit about? Yes, it's about very good, Alia. It's about my family. Yes, we are going to learn. Are learning actually. So this is the riddles will be about your family, about my family. Now, riddle number 1. You have to guess, okay? So, for guessing, what you have to do, you have to listen very, very carefully. Okay, let's start. Now, I am the head of the family, but I am very, very old. Who am I? Who am I? Yes, great. I am your grandfather. Wow, good job, Neha. Okay, now the second riddle. I take care of my family. I cook food for them. I make them ready for their school. Who am I? Yes, I am your mother. Good, good, Ali. I am your mother. Right. So I'm so happy for you all that you all know how to guess, right? You know how to solve and you all know how to answer, right? So that means whatever we have done up till now is very, very clear. Yes or no? Yes, it is very, very clear to you all. Now, these are all the family names. And what do you call them? Naming words. Very good. Now, there are some special naming words. Very, very special, right? The naming words to whom you give a special name, like your name, the name of Neha, Alia, Ali, my name, Shaista. These are special names. So these are all naming words, but we call them proper nouns. What do we call them? Proper nouns, right? So I'll share a picture with you, and in that picture, you will understand what are the proper nouns. Can you see here? Yes, this is proper noun. Now, the proper nouns are people's names, countries' names, cities' names, towns' names, events, titles, special places. Now, can you see the three pictures? The first picture is about Harry Potter. Have you heard about him? Yes, it's a cartoon character. And the other picture is of a map of Australia. This is also a special name because it's a name of a country. Then it's a special occasion picture of Christmas. Christmas is also an occasion, an event, right? Some of the people they celebrate. So that means these all three are special names. So remember, pronouns, proper nouns are the names of people, countries, cities, towns, events, titles, and special special events. Whatever the occasion is, whatever the event is, we give them a name. Like I have shown you a picture of Christmas tree. So Christmas is also a occasion, right? All the countries' names are proper noun. Countries like Pakistan, India, China, Canada, America, these are all special names. So these are all proper nouns. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, so now I'll show a video. Now this video is again our own video of Edward School, right? So please watch these videos. Like I always say in my lesson, always you should go on our website and see these videos. There are loads of videos on different topics. Okay, now this video that I'm showing you, the title is of pronouns, but you have to find out the proper nouns from the video. Okay, so don't think that we are doing pronouns. We are not doing pronouns, we are doing proper noun. See the video and check it out and get what are the proper nouns in the video. Okay, see it very carefully. I'll be asking questions about the video. All right, let's start. Let's see the video. 1, and 3. Let's go. Let's see the video.
Hello everybody, let's learn about pronouns. What are pronouns and how they are defined? Whenever we are calling upon a noun that includes a place, a location, a person, an animal, or anything, we use a pronoun to call upon them. Let's see. Let me show you an example how to write a pronoun and what are pronouns and how to recognize them. It is a pyramid. That is Dubai. He is Ali. She is Sarah. This is Bob the bear. All of these are pronouns in red.
So you saw the video? Yes? Okay. So what was what can you name the proper nouns over there which you have seen just now? Yes? Can you name them? Okay. Now, yes, yes, Ali, can you name any one of the proper noun that you have seen in the video? Dubai, right, correct, good job. Well done, Ali. Okay, what is another proper noun that you have seen in Ali? It was your name in the video, right? Great, Ali, very good. Ali was another proper noun. What else was there? Yes, Sarah, a pyramid. Very good. A pyramid is another proper noun, right? Because it's a name, okay? It's a special name, right? What else was in the video? Bob. Wow, very good. That's also a special name, right? Was there any other proper noun? Bob, Dubai, pyramid. What else? A polar bear. Right. These are all special names. So we call them proper nouns, right? Now I'll show you some words on the flashcards and you are going to tell me that whether they are proper nouns or not. What's this written? School. Wow. So is a school proper noun or it's only a noun? It's only a noun. Great. Okay. What's this written? Table. Right. So is table a proper noun or is it only a noun? It's a noun. Correct. Now what's this? It's a Pepsi Cola. Do you drink Pepsi Cola? You shouldn't be drinking. It's not good for your health, right? So is it a proper noun or it's a noun? It's a proper noun. Very good. Okay, let's move on. What's this? April, right? It's a name of a month, right? So is it a proper noun? Yes, because it's a special name. Every month is not April. Only April is a specific month of the year, right? What's this? New York, right? It's a name of a city. Okay, it's the name of a, right. So is it a proper noun? Yes, it's a proper noun. Great job. What's this? Again, it's a, it's written Germany. Germany is the name of a country. Great. I'm so happy. So is it a proper noun? Yes. Great job, my class. Very good. I'm so happy for you all. So can you make some sentences also with these words? Can you make a sentence of New York? Yes. Yes, Sarah. I like to visit New York. Very good. Good job. Okay. Now April. Yes, Ali. Can you make a sentence on April? I was born in the month of April. Were you born? Oh, great. That's so good. All right. Okay. Now this is a book. So is it a proper noun? No, it's a noun. So can you make a sentence of a word book? I like to read book or I like to read books. Very good. Okay. Now let's move on. Table. Can you make a sentence of table? I study on my table. Very good. Okay. School. School is also a noun. It's not a proper noun. Okay. Can you make a sentence? I study in Beacon House School or Edward School, right? Edward is our school name. So I study in Edward School. So what is Edward here? It's a proper noun because it's the name of a school, right? Correct. So all these words which I have shown you, some of them were nouns, some of them were proper noun. So is it clear what are proper nouns? They are the special naming words, the special words that we give them some names or the special naming words which are all around us, right? Now coming back to your book, can you take out your Nelson book? Or do you all have your Nelson English with you? Yes? Good. So open page number 15 of your Nelson English. This part here, punctuation. Now we are going to do the special naming words. If you read here, it tells you that names of people are special naming words. Special naming words begins with a capital letter. Always remember that special naming words are always started with the capital letter. Like here, Germany is a special naming word, so it's written with capital G. Pepsi Cola again, it's written with capital P. Here again, this word like New York is started with capital N. In the same way, April is also started with capital A. So all these proper nouns are always written with capital letter. It starts with a capital letter, like it says in the book. Special naming words begin with capital letter. It's not written. The whole word is not written with capital letter. It always begins with a capital letter. Now, very quickly, there are four sentences here on part A. Say the special naming word in each sentence. You have to read the sentence and then tell me what are the special naming words for this. And I'm giving you 1 minute time. 1 minute is more than enough. Very quickly read the sentence and find the special naming words. 1, 2, and 3. Start. Time is up. Can you, Sarah, can Alia read the first sentence? My name is Alicia. So what's the proper noun here? Alicia. Wow. Great. Good job. The second sentence. Ali, can you read this? His name is Tom. So what's the special naming word? Tom. Wow. Great. Okay. Yes, Neha, can you read the third one? My cat is called Ben. Now, what's the special naming word? Ben. Very good. Okay. Now, I'll read the fourth one for you. Himmat is 3 years old. Now, what's the special naming word here? Himmat. Wow, great job, my class. It's so intelligent. I'm so happy for you all. I'm so happy for you all. That means that special naming words are very clear to you all. The proper nouns are very clear to you all. Yes? Now, I'll be posting your homework on your portal. Go through the work. It's your workbook page related to proper noun. It is very easy. It's not difficult. You will have to do the work yourself. Remember that, okay? No help from anyone. If you don't know, leave your work. I'll explain you again in the next class, okay? Do your work yourself, all right? So that means that what we have learned in the class today about proper nouns, and proper nouns are special naming words. Whatever special name you give, whether it is your pet special, like remember here the cat is called Ben, so they have given their cat name Ben. So your pet animal can also have a name, and that would be a proper noun. Okay, bye for now. See you in your science lesson. Bye bye.